Hi, my name is Kate Peterson. I'm the Undergraduate Services Librarian at the University of Minnesota. In this video, we're going to show you how you can embed or link to streaming video specifically at from the University of Minnesota libraries. So as a quick reminder, you can link or embed to anything you find in the library website, whether it's articles, books, online books, book chapters, streaming video, streaming audio, things like that. So we want to show you today how to do that. So one of the first things is to actually find the thing that you want to embed. So starting at the library website, there are a lot of different ways to do it. First, you can do a search in library search here. And either if there's a specific title and you want to check to see if we have it, you can do that. You can also search by keyword or search term if you wanted to see if the libraries had videos about body image or pandemics. Once you've done a search on the right-hand side, you can limit to specific types of sources like audio, visual, I think is what the label is. And then you can go directly to those. The other thing you can do is also just ask us. Either you can ask your subject librarian or you can send us a question and say you're an instructor and this is the course you're teaching and you're interested if we have any streaming video about topic X, Y, or Z. We can pull a list together for you. You can review those and see if any are going to be useful to your course. I highly recommend that last one. It can save you a lot of time. So now let's say that you've already found the streaming video that you want to include, and now we want to show you a couple of different ways to go about doing that. So the first thing I want to show you is just how to link. The way you link to all sorts of different things in a Canvas site. So let's say that I have found this in Canopy. Canopy is one of our bigger database, or one of our bigger collections that has a streaming video in it. So basically once you find it, what you want to do is look around for that button that says share. In a very similar way that you might include a YouTube video into something. So I'm going to go to share, and either then I get a share link or some embed code. In this case, what I want to do is copy and paste this link and go over to my Canvas site. And then just like you would do kind of with anything else, I can use that external URL. I can put the URL in, and then I can put the title. And add it directly to the course. Okay. A couple of other ways that we want to show you. So that's going to, again, link directly to the course. When your students click on it, then it's going to open up that new tab or that new window, and then you'll be watching it in that other place. Some people might want to embed or directly put it into their course. And the way you can do that, a couple of different ways. So what I'm going to show you now would be to use the page feature. So I'm going to go over and I'm going to make a page. Okay. So let's say that, actually, let me go in one of these other tabs. I have a different video to show you as an example. So this is in one of our collections called Filmmakers Library Online. So the video is called About Face, Supermodels Then and Now. So I'm going to go, and again, I want to look for the share feature. So I'm going to do that. And in this case, if I scroll down, it says to gives me the permalink or the embed code. In this case, I'm going to copy the embed code. I'm going to go back to Canvas. And then in this case, I'm going to embed it in a page. So I'm going to write down, put in kind of the title of the video here. And then I want to click on this HTML editor. I'm going to copy and paste in the embed code from the other site. In this case, I also need to add that S under my HTTPS to make it show up. I'm going to hit save. And then the video itself is going to be now embedded directly into this. So then I can go directly to wherever it is in my course that I want to put it. And let's say I wanted to add it here in week 2. I could add it the way you would add a page. The last thing we want to mention is that there are, of course, a lot of different places that you can use this embed code. For example, let's say that you wanted to add it directly to an assignment. You can use that same thing. So let's say that I'd create an assignment, and I did that same thing where I put in some text, and then I edited I put in the, let me click edit. And then I use that same HTML editor to add the embed code. And then it is just directly like another assignment. So I could ask students to watch the video and then complete the questions or whatever else I have about the video itself. And it's embedded directly there. The other thing you could do for another example could be in a discussion post. So you could embed it directly into a discussion post using the same embed code and copying and pasting using that same idea. Okay. To quickly recap what we talked about how you can connect directly from the materials in the libraries into your Canvas and other courses using their link or embed code, and we showed a couple of tips about how to do that. The other thing, on the library website, we also have this digital video collections guide, and this is a really great place to also know about because it gives a list of some of our major collections. And then it also connects directly to a lot of our specialized collections. For example, in opera or theater or nursing, we also have some specific collections around those specific topics. Or Canopy, or the Filmmakers Library I mentioned have a lot of videos around current topics and social justice issues and things like that. And again, if you have a question about this or anything else, please ask us. Thank you.